5 by 4 will come. So plus root 5 by 2 whole square I am writing directly. Okay, because it should be perfect square. Now what do you have formed here? See, integral 1 by a square plus x square dx, right? Clearly it is understood 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Standard formula, that is 3 by 4 times log mod 2x square minus 2x plus 3, 5 by 4 times 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c, right? So here 2 cancel, so 3 by 4 times log mod 2x square minus 2x plus 3 plus root 5 times it gets cancelled, root 5 by 2 tan inverse of 2x minus 1 upon root 5. Take LCM, right? So that is the way we can solve it. 1 by root 5 so right, our answer is correct. So therefore step we can write, there is no place here to write, so we can write therefore step. So this is the way we can solve it. So whenever we have linear form by quadratic form, whether if it is root or without root, this is the procedure. Okay? Hope it is clear. Let me solve one more problem with the square root function. Same method we will follow. X plus 2 by square root of x square plus 5x plus 6, x square plus 5x plus 6 dx. Now square root function is there, so numerator can be written as, how do we write? X plus 2 equal to a times d by dx of denominator plus b. So x plus 2 equal to a times 2x plus 5, x square derivative 2x, 5x derivative 5 plus b. Now we need to find the constants a and b, comparing coefficient of x on both sides. 1 equal to 2a, that implies a equal to 1 upon 2. Comparing the constant terms on both sides, 2 equal to 5a plus b, that is 5 by 2 plus b equal to 2. So b equal to 2 minus 5 by 2, 4 minus 5 minus 1 by 2, right? So a value 1 by 2, b value minus 1 by 2, right? So numerator is equal to a times 1 by 2 times 2x plus 5 plus b means minus 1 by 2. Now our integral becomes x plus 2 upon square root of x square plus 5x plus 6 dx equal to integral, numerator can be written as half of 2x plus 5 minus half upon square root of x square plus 5x plus 6 whole dx, right? Now split 1 by 2 times integral 2x plus 5 by square root of x square plus 5x plus 6 dx minus 1 by 2 times integral 1 by square root of x square plus 5x plus 6 dx. So clearly it is understood it is in the form of integral f dash x by square root of f of x dx equal to 2 root f of x plus c. That is the standard formula. So I can write 2 root f of x means x square plus 5x plus 6 minus half times integral. I will make this as perfect square now. So x plus coefficient of x is 5, half 5 by 2 whole square plus 6. Whether we have plus 5 by 2 or minus 5 by 2, take minus 5 by 2 whole square dx. 2 gets cancelled. Square root of x square plus 5x plus 6 minus half times integral 1 by root of x plus 5 by 2 whole square plus 6 minus, here what will you get? 6 minus 25 by 4 means minus 1 by 4 will come. So minus 1 by 2 whole square I am writing. What is the form of that? X square minus a square, right? Integral 1 by root of x square minus a square dx. What is the form of this? Log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Right? That is the form we have. Now, if you write that formula, square root of x square plus 5x plus 6 minus half times integral, I will write the integration directly now, log mod x plus 5 by 2 plus root of x square minus a square means we will have this expression only now. So x square plus 5x plus 6 plus c. This is the simplified form of this, right? So we can write this. I think it is the final answer. Right, correct. Therefore, integral x plus 2 by square root of x square plus 5x plus 6 dx equal to square root of x square plus 5x plus 6 minus half times log mod x plus 5 by 2 plus root of x square plus 5x plus 6 plus c. That is the final answer. Hope it is clear. Okay? We will see one more problem. Same model problem we will see, but the square root is there. 6x plus 5. Integral 6x plus 5 by square root of 6 plus x minus 2x square dx. So this also same. Numerator is equal to a times d by dx of denominator plus b. We have to find the constants now, a and b. 6x plus 5 is equal to a times what is the derivative of this? Minus 4x plus 1 plus b. Now comparing the coefficient of x square, x on both sides, then 6 equal to minus 4a, then a equal to 2 3s, 2 2s, minus 3 by 2. Constants if you compare, 5 is equal to a plus b. Already a value minus 3 by 2 plus b equal to 5. B equal to 5 plus 3 by 2. 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. Okay? Now if you substitute these values, minus 3 by 2, 13 by 2. So 6x plus 5 is equal to a times minus 3 by 2 times minus 4x plus 1 plus b means 13 by 2. Now our given integral becomes integral 6x plus 5 upon root of 6 plus x minus 2x square dx equal to integral minus 3 by 2 of minus 4x plus 1 plus 13 upon 2 by root of 6 plus x minus 2x square dx. So minus 3 by 2 integral minus 4x plus 1 upon square root of 6 plus x minus 2x square plus 13 upon 2 integral 1 by root of 6 plus x minus 2x square dx. So first term is always, remember that it is in the form of f dash x by square root f of x dx equal to 2 root f of x plus c, right? So minus 3 by 2 times 2 root f of x plus 13 by 2. This we have to make it perfect square, right? Integral 1 by, I will take it separately here. This here I will take. You see here, this I will take here. 6 plus x minus 2x square. Take minus 2 common. X square minus x by 2 minus 3. Right? Because we have to make it perfect square now. Minus 2 times, write x. Half of the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? 1 by 2. So half will be 1 by 4 whole square minus 3. Whatever we have here, 1 by 4 whole square should be subtracted. So x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 3 minus 1 by 16. 1 by minus 49, right? 7 upon 4 whole square. Now send minus inside. 7 upon 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square. Right? Now if you put that value here, square root of 2 will be there. So root 2 will come out. Square root of, what is remaining? 7 by 4 whole square minus of x minus 1 by 4 whole square dx. Now clearly it looks like 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. That is first formula, sine inverse of x by a plus c. 2 gets cancelled. Minus 3 times 6 plus x minus 2x square plus 13 by 2 root 2 sine inverse of x by a means 7 by 4 plus c. Right? We can take LCM also here. Minus 3 times square root of 6 plus x minus 2x square plus 13 by 2 root 2 sine inverse of 4x minus 1 by 7 plus c. That is the final answer. Right? So therefore, integral 6x plus 5 upon square root of 6 plus x minus 2x square dx equal to minus 3 times 6 plus x minus 2x square plus 13 by 2 root 2 sine inverse of 4x minus 1 by 7 plus. That is the final answer, right? Hope it is clear. We shall continue the concept video 9 in the next class. Thank you.